so you want to buy a first-generation Ford Mustang. Launched at the 1964 World's Fair, Ford's groundbreaking Mustang was never really intended to be a performance car. It began life as a low-cost, stylish secretary's car with 6 cylinders and a bland persona. But there was a V8 option, the short-lived F-Code 260 V8 for the 1964 model year, with the C-Code 289 arriving for 1965. Mustang arrived with a choice of styles led by the convertible, then hardtop, with the Mustang Fastback arriving in late 1964. Australia saw its first privately imported Mustangs in late 1964, just months after the model caused a stampede to US Ford dealerships. Converting the cars to right-hand drive was relatively easy, with many parts compatible with local models including the Falcon. Mustangs began racing here in 1965, with Norm Beechey winning that year's touring car title from the late Ian Pete Gagan. A year later, Beechey was in a Chevy Nova and finished second in the championship to Gagan, who had acquired a Mustang to replace his 4-cylinder Cortina GT. Ford Australia saw the value of the Mustang in helping promote the bigger, V8-powered XR Falcon, and in 1966 imported 200 cars for display across its dealer network. These Mustangs were known as the Ford Australia Delivered Mustang and had a compliance plate similar to the XR Falcon. Approximately 209 Mustangs were converted and sold under this program. These and most early arrivals were notchback coupes, with a few convertibles and later 2+2 fastbacks helping boost the numbers. Cars seen in Australia almost always had the GT Equipment Group option, with the 289 V8 which made 167 kilowatts and was usually teamed with a 3-speed automatic transmission, although a handful of 4-speed manual GT Mustangs did arrive to satisfy the appetite of enthusiasts. The standard interior was available in various colours and features. It included an adjustable driver and passenger bucket seat, an AM radio and a floor-mounted shifter. Ford added additional interior options during the 1965 model year. The interior decor group was popularly known as the Pony Interior due to the addition of embossed running ponies on the seats and included integral armrests, wood grain accents and a round gauge cluster that would replace the standard Falcon instrumentation. Options included sun visors, a mechanical remote operated mirror, a floor console and a bench seat. Ford later offered under-dash air conditioning and discontinued the vinyl with cloth insert seat upholstery that was available only in the 1965 models. Changes to currency and import rules during the late 80s saw literally thousands of Mustangs arrive in Australia as private imports. Those built before 1967 were sometimes old enough to avoid the need for right-hand drive conversion, which is why you'll often see these early Mustangs being driven as left-hand drives. A glut of such magnitude would normally have a massive effect on values, but demand for Mustangs has proved consistent over several decades. Cars that are in usable condition but won't be taking home trophies from the All Ford Day are typically found in the $40,000 to $45,000 price bracket, with excellent 4.7 litre coupes at $60,000 or more. And a very good fastback 2+2 could stretch the budget to $80,000 or more. The good news is there are thousands of parts available readily online and most are reasonably priced. We recommend sourcing a Marty report from Marty Auto Works. This is a must if you're after a genuine car. Things to watch out for when buying a used Ford Mustang from 64 to 66 include rusty floors and rear quarter panels, sticking or twisted convertible top mechanism, ensure older right-hand drive conversions have passed a safety check, make sure that engine isn't smoking, check rear brakes for locking and pedal pressure, door hinge wear requiring the door to be lifted to close, and sagging bucket seats. But all things considered, the 64 to 66 Ford Mustang is a retro rides classic. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more retro rides.